How's it going? I'm Justin McNew with McNew Motorsports, and what I'm going to be demonstrating today is how to successfully identify a fouled spark plug. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you that the spark plug is fouled, and I'm going to turn the motor over a couple times. Alright, see how it kind of hesitates? Well, this bike would start up about first pull about a week ago. And so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the spark plug and see if it's fouled. I'm using an 18mm deep socket. Use an 18mm spark plug wrench if you have one. Alright, so I got my plug out, and as you can see, it's black and it's dirty and it's carbon fouled. So I've got a brand new one right here. This is an NGK brand new spark plug. I'm going to pop it in there. Now when you're tightening a spark plug, you want to make sure that you get it about hand tight and then tighten it up with a wrench. If you don't have a torque wrench, you can use just a standard wrench and tighten it up about half a turn past hand tight. So I'm just going to get it snug in there. And then about half a turn, maybe about a quarter of a turn. Quarter turn to half a turn. Get her done. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it over, and it should start right up.